Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how to maintain healthy eating habits. So food is life and most of our health problems arise due to our wrong eating habits. So it is very important to maintain or to follow healthy eating habits. These habits can help you remove all your ailments, especially lifestyle problems. For example, like high blood glucose, high blood pressure, high blood cholesterol, or several others by yourself by repairing and healing the body at cellular level. So here I'm going to discuss 5 habits, eating habits that can help you remain healthy. So the first one is eat your food consciously, feel it and enjoy every bite you eat. So it is very important to express gratitude towards the food you eat as it gives life. It is so important that almost no life is possible without food. So whenever you have like your food plate in front of you, show some gratitude and that you are grateful for. It would be good if you do meditation for about 4 minutes before starting your meal, as it will help you collect your positive energy. Then appreciating what you eat, what you're eating is a very good habit, as it creates positive energy and positivity around your body, and your body enjoys what you eat, and you're likely to get positivity and health and well-being. So it is very important to enjoy consciously and to enjoy what you're eating. Then the second habit is don't eat when you are angry. So you should never ever eat when you are angry or you are in a bad mood or you are sad. So food should be prepared with lots of love and then served with lots of love and then eaten with more love. So our internal body reacts according to our mental state. It is very important to maintain a positive attitude towards life and remain calm. When you get angry, you have several changes inside your body which you might not feel, but it does. So when you get angry, you have several changes inside your body, and it spreads negativity around you. And this negativity also affects your food. The food you eat absorbs the negativity around you that you are giving to that food, which is not good for your health at all. And if you eat at the time when you are angry or sad, your inner body is not positively aligned. Your food will not solve the purpose, its purpose, and might cause problems in the long run. So it is very important to keep calm, to enjoy your food, and whenever you have you are not in a mood, or you're not in a good mood, or you are sad, or you have a bad day, do not eat or do not take any kind of food at that time. Whenever you are eating, be calm, be relaxed, and enjoy what you're eating. It is very important to remain healthy. The third one is eat mindfully. Start observing your food. The food you eat, if it is making you lethargic, if it is making you lighter, you're feeling lighter, or you're feeling energetic after eating certain food. So you should feel energetic and lighter after eating food, rather than feeling lethargic or dull. Every time you eat something, try to observe and try to realize what it does to your body and how you feel after eating any particular food. So, however, this has nothing to do with how your tongue feels while eating. It is more about your physical and mental body. So if your body feels lighter and good from inside, it means that the food you have eaten is good for you and suits your body, and the body is liking that food. Whereas if you feel lethargic or you feel heavy, dull, so it means that the food you have eaten is not good for your body, and you should actually stop eating that food. So here I'm not talking about food that are stimulant, for example coffee, So like you should avoid eating food that doesn't suit to your body, as they are not good for your physical or mental well-being. This kind of food makes you feel lazy, and you will not be able to sit or work properly. So also it may be more about the amount of food you have eaten is not right. You are eating like maybe much more than desired for your body. So you have to make it you have to realize it. You have to observe the food you are eating, the amount you are eating, and then accordingly you can change for yourself. Then come to the fourth habit, which is give some rest to your stomach and take a break from meals. So in order to clean or purify your body, it is very important to take a break of about 13 to 16 hours between dinner and the next day's first meal or breakfast. So if you're always eating without giving any break, which we usually do, so your body or your stomach will not get a chance to purify it or to clean it. Recently I have started a routine of having my dinner at around 7:30 in the evening, and then the next meal, that is the next day's breakfast, at around 8:30 a.m. in the morning, ensuring a break of about 13 to 14 hours basically. And now I am consciously trying to follow this ritual for a healthy life, and this is known as intermittent fasting. When you eat daily after about 16 hours fasting, so you give a break of about 16 hours, or you fast for 24 hours twice in a week. Then most of our problems, especially lifestyle diseases, arise due to wrong eating habits, and that we eat much more than desired. So without giving proper time to our body for digestion and purification or cleansing. So even in our Indian religions, fasting has been given the utmost importance for a healthy life and long life. So now research has revealed the importance of fasting, and they came up with a new term that is known as intermittent fasting. So these were some of the habits that can help you eat healthy and remain healthy. So healthy eating habits are the most effective techniques to manage your weight, along with a healthy mind and healthy body. So these habits can help you remove all your ailments by yourself and will repair the body at cellular level. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.